Welcome to this online certificate course on engineering graphics and design. I am Naresh Datla from IIT Delhi. The co-instructor to this course is my colleague Professor Sunil Kale. So, let us first see why one should be interested in this topic of engineering graphics and where they can be applied. As we all know that engineers try to find solutions to practical problems. In this process they work in teams of diversified areas and from different places varying from different countries and continents. So, how do they communicate? We need a tool which they can use to communicate effectively. That is where engineering graphics comes in. So, graphical forms are found to be an effective way to communicate design ideas. So, as the adage goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So, instead of describing that object or a design through words, it will be much easier if you can just show the picture of that object. And drawing, as we again know, is an universal language which can be read from people of different fields as well as different places. So, this engineering graphics is a communication tool we will be teaching you in this course, which you can use to communicate your ideas and to read or understand ideas from others. So, this can be used in many fields, like in mechanical engineers use it to show the designs of automotives, aerospace or medical devices, and civil engineers use it to communicate the designs of bridge, buildings and roads, for example. And electrical engineers can use it to show their circuit designs, and chemical engineers to show the process plants and how those plants work. So, we will show in this course 3 ways to communicate these ideas using engineering graphics. First is through freehand sketches, where you use a pencil and paper and quickly draw your idea without using any engineering tools. And secondly, a formal way of representing your ideas is through engineering drawings, where you use engineering tools to depict your ideas more precisely. And lastly, which is of more common in these days, is to use of computers. So, we use computers to build solid models which can then be used to develop those engineering drawings. Good thing about solid modeling is they can also be used to analyze these objects, like engineering analysis can be done more effectively. Coming to the potential audience, this is a first year core course which is applicable to all disciplines of engineering. So, undergraduates can take it in their first year. So, this course is also in line with the AICTE approved course of on the same name of engineering graphics and design. And lastly, even the practicing engineers can benefit. This can be used to brush up their fundamentals or to review their concepts. So, coming to the course structure and contents, we use 2 methods, both the paper based as well as the computer based method. In the paper based method, we first teach you the freehand sketching and then the use of a powerful concept called projections. So, we will cover orthographic, isometric, sectional and auxiliary projections for both individual component or at an assembly or a device level. And in the second part of the course, that is when we discuss the CAD, which is the computer aided design. We use a software where we will first introduce to that environment and then help you to develop part models as well as assemblies. So, at the end of this course, you will be provided with enough tools to communicate your ideas through engineering drawings, as well as you will also be able to read others' ideas through engineering drawings. And in the process, you will also develop good visualization skills, which is required not just in this course, but in general for a successful career in engineering or in any technology. I hope you will find this course to be useful and join us in this 12-week journey.